Okay, so the last part will be the resistance in a parallel circuit. So how do we calculate the resistance in a parallel circuit? So there's actually a formula. So first thing, you must memorize the formula 1 over RE. So RE, what is this RE? This is just total resistance, right? So total resistance is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. Of course, if you have more circuit or more resistance in a parallel circuit, right, just add a few more, right? So okay, in this event, I have two resistance in the parallel circuit, and they have the same resistance, right? So let's use our formula to calculate. So for example, I have step 1, I need to use 1 over R is equal to 1 over 20 plus 1 over 20. So of course it's equal to 2 over 20. So next step will be flip it. Okay, so step 2 is to flip the whole fraction. So since you flip it, right, the total resistance is R equal to, so you flip this and this, right? So it's 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 10 ohm. Yeah, so in this case, you have calculated the total resistance. Okay, so maybe I teach you one shortcut that is quite simple to use, but this shortcut can only be applied to resistor of the same value. So let's just say I give you 20 and 20. Yeah, this I can use this shortcut in this particular context. So you can look at this 20 ohms, right, and we notice that there is two resistor. So you just use this formula. So total resistance of this, right, is equal to the value of resistance, which is the 20, right, divide by the number of resistor. Okay, so it's equal to value of resistance is 20 divided by the number of resistor is 2, because there's only the first resistor and second resistor, right? So it's equal to 10 ohm. Yeah, so that is how we use the shortcut to calculate. Of course, in structured question, try not to. Or structured question, try to put in terms of the orthodox method. So the shortcut is actually for those like MCQ, so and so forth, because MCQ is quite time, has a very limited time, so you can use a bit of shortcut to help you save a lot of time, right? So okay, so if let's just say I have a different resistance. So for example, let's just say same idea, I give you maybe right here. Okay, so in the event that I have two resistor, but these two resistor have different values. So for example, let's just say I talk about this is 20 ohms. The other resistor is 40 ohms. So this will give me a total resistance of step 1. You must use 1 over R total, right? So R is just total, is equal to 1 over 20 plus 1 over 40. So it's equal to around 3 over 40. Okay, step 2 will be flipping, right? So flip, so it's R equal to 40 divided by 3. So 40 divided by 3 is roughly 13.3, right? Around there. Okay, so we have a total resistance of 13.3 ohm. So that is how we calculate the total resistance in a parallel circuit.